Yo, what up, guys? Back here again with a little quick review. You know, I had a cop on week 16, 2021, June. You know, little cream again. So, yeah, you know, regular stickers. Got my Emilio Pucci lighter. Got the black one, which luckily enough, both sided. Just give me a second. Okay. As you can see, you can actually feel the material on it. That's what I love about the lighters. Well, regardless, all Zippo lighters are the best, you know, for them people that know. Had to cop another premium bill. I don't know if you seen my last video, but then we got the Supreme spray cans. It's actually small than what they usually are for me, but they're good size for on the go for the people that really spray paint out there, do a little graffiti. I'll say cop. Don't overboard with the resale price, but you know, I'm keeping mine, so you know. I like the design that she went with. Signature at the bottom, Supreme at the top. You see the focus, there you go. Gotta add lighter fluid in a minute. Might take it out for a spin. Should look dope. I like how they went with the white box on this, so a little crazy. Then with the spray cans, you get your regular 6 colors. Only gonna fuck with the black, blue, and silver. Might give the other 3 to my wife for me. So ready. Alright, guys. Catch y'all on the next review later.